Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on laptop Windows 11. If you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password and need to retrieve it, there are a few simple steps you can follow. The first option I recommend is to check your Wi-Fi router. Many routers have the Wi-Fi password printed directly on a label, usually located on the back or bottom of the device. If you have physical access to your router, this is the easiest and quickest way to find the password. If you don't have access to the router or prefer to find the password directly on your laptop, you can do this through the control panel. Begin by clicking on the search icon in the taskbar. Type Control Panel into the search bar and select the best match from the search results to open it. Once the control panel is open, set the View By option in the top right corner to large icons if it's not already set. Look for and select Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, find your active internet connection listed next to Connections. This will typically display the name of your Wi-Fi network. Click on the name of your connection. A new window will open. In this window, click the button labeled Wireless Properties. Another window will appear. In this window, switch to the Security tab by clicking on it. Under the Security tab, you'll see three sections labeled Security Type, Encryption Type, and Network Security Key. The Network Security Key is your Wi-Fi password, but it will be hidden by default. To reveal the password, check the box next to Show Characters. Your Wi-Fi password will now be displayed in plain text in the Network Security Key field. That's it. That's how to see your Wi-Fi password on a laptop running Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.